How efficient is that? World's fastest bumper car update. Yes, we can drop the whole front end out in under 2 minutes. Welcome back to Bump 200. Yes folks, these are back to tack fabrication, complete with instructions. And while they're there, we need some toe in, toe out manipulation here. We need adjustment. Actually, I could do with some adjustment as well. Maybe in here. But before we get started, I've been doing a bit of SEO on YouTube, and apparently there's a lot of people out there that want to know how to build a paper aeroplane. Here you go then. Job done. And if you want to get really fancy, yes, considerably easier than trying to fit a motorcycle engine into a bumper car. Anyway, let's get on with it. Alright, let's do this. Okay, I think that's going to work. Now we just need to drill some big holes, see if it'll all marry up. That's if we even need to do 2 into 1. I'm not sure we do. Well, this looks like serious business. And indeed it is. I think they use something not dissimilar for digging the Channel Tunnel, just on a larger scale. Let's fire this puppy up. Well, it kind of works. So I cut this one a little bit too short, but actually it's for this first one, which will presumably come under, go to that bottom one. Maybe not. Maybe number 1 will go to number 1 after all. And there's the other one going through to the bottom hole. Again, just a little bit on the short side. I think what I'm going to do is cut 2 slightly longer versions, and luckily we've got enough pipe. We can always shave a bit off if we need to. We can't really put it back on very easily. Talking of which, I thought I was being generous with this one in the first place, but clearly not enough. And then we can work out how we're going to route them both under the thing and out the side and all that. Well, I believe that is one side done. And as you can tell, there's quite a lot of pipe inside the outer pipe, so we're good. If we need to clamp them down, we can. We have the necessary. We even have the necessary size. Obviously, we're going to need some more pipe for the other side. Yeah, it's not cheap, so keep those donations coming in, and if you haven't already, why not? I think we can tick that off the list. What's more exciting is I spoke to my friend Ron at Create Tech, and the axle might be ready, or nearly. So we're cottonwood bound with the wheels and the wheel mounts for Chris and Adam at Tack Fabrication. Pick up the rear wheels and the mounts, and even maybe the axle. If not, we'll just pick up our mock-up, which will allow us to suss out the situation with the sprocket and the chain. Well, I think we'll leave that for next time. Do subscribe if you haven't already, because you'll need to do that to get the update. And obviously give the video the thumbs up, very important, please. And of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.